and we are at, yes, we're at Walmart for another awesome video. So listen, I'm super soaked. I'm super hyped because I'm about to hit my cosmic comment. All right, I only need like 10 rebates. And I'm also gonna knock out my weekend as well. And for that, I think I need 15 rebates. Is it? I think it's 15 for 5 or 18 for 5. I think it's 15 for 5. And so 15 rebates, y'all. We're about to get back $15. So super hyped, super stoked about this. Should be super easy. Now I did go to CVS this morning and I did the Cetaphil again, which the wipes are still working for me, you guys. I know some of you guys said it wasn't working for you. It is still working for me, the little trial size wipes. And I've already maxed that deal out on all my cards, but I went ahead and did it again. I just bought 3 packs. I'm using a $3 printable, scans perfectly fine. And so I ended up paying $207. I got back $7.50 on Ibotta. So I did that. And then I also did the Got to Be again, which that one is, the digital is still attaching with the, double attaching with the paper coupon. So that deal is 2 for $24, $7 paper, $7 digital, saves you $14. You'll pay 10, get back 4 in extra care bucks, and then get back 6, which is $3 for each of them on Ibotta. Now they do have 2 different rebates on Ibotta. One is for the light it up or something it up. And then the other one is a metallics. And so I've been getting one of each. Now that has double attached for me with the cashier as well as in self-checkout. All right, so I did 3 rebates there. So that knocked me down to only needing like, I want to say like 7 to 10. And so this should be super easy. If you're new here, this is your first time seeing this lovely face. Hi, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on anything at all. And don't forget to hit that like button, you guys. Like I said, let YouTube know your guard is important. Let YouTube know your guard is important. All right, let him know. All right, so that more people can see how awesome it is over here. So if you want to see what awesome deals I grabbed today, the deal is at the checkout. It's on the Starry. I think this replaced Sierra Mist. I tried it. I liked it. Josiah liked it, and y'all know if a little kid like it, most likely it's good. Look, this one's frozen. So for this, I think I saw Sadie with Danielle post this deal in one of her last videos. These are priced at $2.28. So for this, you want to grab 2. There's a Bogo coupon right here from coupons.com that you can use. That'll bring the total down to paying $2.28, but you'll get back 75 cents for each on Ibotta. I'm making them 39 cents each. Now, if you want to grab 4, you can grab 4 as well. Use 2 coupons and get back 75 cents times 4. All right, this next pop deal is on Dr. Pepper. One of you guys hit me up in the comments and one of my last, I think my last Walmart video about the Dr. Pepper working on the Shopkick offers. I think the kicks back is like $5.75, and it pictures the newer ones, the strawberry cream one. And so, but you were saying in the, I didn't read the description, I just assumed, right? And so I grabbed a couple of these yesterday and it went straight through. I did Dr. Pepper regular and I did the diet, and it's 2 separate rebates. So you're gonna get back 575 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.30. So it makes them both free plus 50 cents. Now on my on Joseph's account, I tried the other Dr. Pepper, which is the strawberry cream one. I had to put a ticket in for that one. So I'm gonna do this deal again, but I'm just gonna go ahead and just grab 1 regular, 1 diet, and again, it'll make them both free plus $1. And so yeah. Next deal is on the Jimmy Dean egg bites. These are priced at $2.82. So for this, we're gonna grab 1 of them. You're gonna get back $8 on Ibotta. Now I also have an offer on my Fetch Reward for $1 back when you buy 1. It's select accounts, because this account here, I have to buy 2, but my other account, I have to only buy 1, so it'll make it only 82 cents. Next deal is I got from one of you guys over on Instagram, 945 So Flow Clips shared this deal with me. Now Kellogg has my reflection is just throwing me off. That's what it is. It's making me nervous. I make me nervous. It's throwing me off. It's making, okay, let me do it from this angle. Okay, so anyway, so Kellogg has a deal right now where when you purchase select products, you get back $5. And it's $5 for you, and then it feeds $5 for a charity or something like that. All right, so I tried it yesterday and I grabbed the Eggles. It's one of the cheaper Kellogg products that do qualify. They're priced at $2.82, so you'll grab that and then you'll submit your receipt. Mine's it got approved the same day, for $5. So it essentially, it'll make it a $2.18 moneymaker. Now that $5 reward, you have to use it on Kellogg products, and I plan to use it on a Kellogg product, preferably one that's on Ibotta. But it's going to take 5 days to get that. So I'll let you guys know how that works out, but just wanted to kind of give you a little heads up on it as well. Big shout out to the two of you guys who let me know that this popped up on Ibotta, because when I was in the store, it was not there. And I was able to submit my receipt. Now you guys know with Ibotta, you have up to 24 hours to rescan your receipt. Let's say you miss an item, or let's just say that they add something after the fact. You have up to 24 hours to rescan that receipt. After that, it's gonna say it's already scanned and you might have to put a ticket in. But I did scan my receipt from the soup on my last haul. Now, this deal is on the Proper Good soups. They are priced at $5.98. There is still an offer valid for when you get a meal for free when you submit your receipt. A lot of you guys are asking. I've done this deal repeatedly because when you guys use my link, I get $5 off, and so that's why I've been able to repeatedly do this deal. And so for you, you're gonna grab one at $5.98. You'll submit your receipt. You'll get that back, make it absolutely free. You'll get back $1 on Ibotta as well. And then the offer on Shopkick for me is down to, like, I want to say 250 kicks. And so so yeah, just check your kicks and see if you still have the offer. Now I did try this one right here, the cream of chicken soup. I tried this 2 nights ago with some club crackers, and it wasn't bad. I had to add a little seasoning to it, but it wasn't bad. And so yeah, my next deal is gonna be on like a lady spray can. This lady just came over here, opened up 2 boxes of trash bags, different ones, and didn't even buy them. And then the second one she opened, she grabbed one that wasn't open. Like, people, that is just, I don't get it. Why couldn't you just take the one you already opened? But anyways, listen. This deal is on this Glade air freshener. Wasn't these like 98 cents? Now they're $1.48. But we're gonna do these right here at $2.28. You'll get back $1 on Ibotta. Get back $1 on Shop Me. I'm making this only 28 cents. All right, this next deal I'm not gonna grab, but it is still good. All right, it's on the Fancy Feast. It's on the puree ones up here, which is completely out. They're priced at $2.48. So if you want to grab 2 of those, you'll end up paying $4.96 out of pocket, but you'll get back $2.50 on Ibotta. There's also rebates on coupons.com, Shop Me and Alexa as well, which is going to bring that down to being free plus $1.04 moneymaker. Now you can also grab this one here, which is priced at $1.98. So 2 of them is going to cost you $3.96, and then you're going to get back 50 cents right here on Ibotta. Again, you'll submit $3.50 back on Shop Me, coupons.com, Alexa, making it a 54-cent moneymaker. All right, so I had to come over here. Like, I'm trying to find a spot where the music's not so loud, and it's still loud. And so these are all trial sizes, and they all should work for Shopkick. None of the offers exclude trial size, but I have had to put tickets in for all of these. The only ones I haven't tried are the Shea Moistures. Those are different ones, but the ones I've gotten so far for Shea Moisture I have had to put tickets in. So the Men Dove is priced at $197. You'll get back 700 kicks, which is $2.80, so that's an 83-cent moneymaker. The Women's is $2.47, getting back the $2.80. It's a 33-cent moneymaker. Gillette is $197, getting back $5.50, which is $2.20, so that's a 23-cent moneymaker. Irish Spring is $1.47, getting back $2.50, which is $1. Makes that 47 cents. The Old Spice body wash is $1.56. You'll get back 350 kicks, which is $1.40. I'm making that only 16 cents. And then the Shea Moistures are both $3. I'm assuming that this one right here is a styler because it's a smoothie. It doesn't say shampoo or conditioner. So I'm gonna try that for the styler rebate, and then this one for the shampoo rebate. You're getting back 850 kicks, which is $3.40. So it'll make them both a 40-cent moneymaker. So hopefully those work out. I know that everything else I did have to put tickets in. I actually did yesterday. I'm going to show you really quick on my app, because yesterday I had to put tickets for all of them. See, and they credit me for everything. This was the receipt right here. And it only thing it credited me for was the Dr. Peppers. And so as you can see, I did get credit And so, yeah. So this next deal is on the Cetaphil. I found another one of these over at my little clearance section over here. And so it is on clearance for $3.99. So I'm going to grab it. And then there's a rebate on Ibotta for $2 back. And then I also have it on my Tada account as well for $3 right there. So it'll make it $1.01, I want to say. $1.01 moneymaker. So this next deal is on the Shopkick stream. It is priced at $6.47. You're going to grab one. You'll end up getting back $3 on Ibotta. You're also going to get back $4 on either coupons.com, ShopMium, or Alexa, making this a 53-cent moneymaker. This next deal is on the Dollar Shave Club shaving gel. It's priced at $5.97. You want to grab one of them. You'll get back $3.50 on Ibotta. You'll also get back $1.50 on Fetch Reward, making this only 97 cents. This next deal is on the Skin Timid Razor. It's priced at $6.47. You're going to grab one. You're going to submit your receipt on coupons.com for $4 back. Also $2 on Ibotta as well, making this only 47 cents. And then last but not least is the Skin Timid Shave Gel, which is priced at $3.37. You're going to grab one, and you're going to get back $1.50 on Ibotta. There's also a 10-cent any shave rebate as well, and then $1 on coupons.com, Alexa, or ShopMium. It's also working for 2 10-cent offers, so it'll actually make this only 67 cents. So this next deal here, I posted it on my community tab. It's on the Axe deodorant. I actually still have the offer on my Fetch Reward account. Well, one of them I still have 2 offers there. I did one yesterday, and I wasn't sure if I would get them both. But I did get them both, so I'm going to do it 3 more times on separate transactions. And so for this deal, we're going to go ahead and grab the Axe. I've been grabbing the Aqua one. That one has been working for me, so I'm going to go ahead and grab that one again. I went ahead and ordered some printables for the Axe right here from my Ip Fairy. That'll bring the total down to paying $6.98 out of pocket, but I'll get back $4.50 on Fetch Reward. And then I'll also get back 650 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.60. So it'll be a 12-cent moneymaker. This is the last deal I'm going to go over. It's on the Axe air fresheners. These are priced at $3.98. So for this, I'm going to go ahead and grab 4. Back $8 on Swagbucks. My points inbox are ta-da. And then also $1.72 times 4 on checkout 51, which is $6.88, making them only 26 cents each. Keep your eyes peeled for the Dark Temptation one at the other store. Those were on clearance for $2.50. And so, yeah. All right, guys, here is my complete haul for you guys for today. Everything worked out okay. Let me just be honest, y'all, real quick. Look, on Fetch Reward, one of my receipts for this today said duplicate. I said, it's not a duplicate. I put a ticket in. So if it don't come back right, then it's going right back to the store. I'm not even joking. Other than that, everything worked out good. I didn't have a ton of coupons. I only had coupons on the Axes, and I think that was the only coupon I had today. Was just the Axe. No, I didn't. I had a coupon for something else. What was it? Oh, the star of the show. Yeah, I had 3 Bogos for that. So what I did, yesterday I bought 2 and used a Bogo. And then today, since it was set, I was like, ooh, let me get 4. And so I got 4. And I used 2 Bogos. And so that was that. Other than that, that was the only coupons. The Starry and the Axe. I did try the dollar coupon on that, y'all. It didn't work. Other than that, that was basically it. So I did. We did get more Revlon. The eye didn't reset. When it comes to the rebates, you guys, on Ibotta, if let's say the offer is no longer on the home page for Walmart, always check your list. I'll try to include a video or something of showing you how to check your list, because sometimes the rebate can be pulled, but if you've clipped it to your list, then it's still there. And a lot of people, I believe the rebate is still there. You just don't know it's there. It's like hiding. You just gotta find it. But it's super, super easy to find your list and scroll through your list. And a lot of the times it's still there. I posted it on my community post when it was up, and by the afternoon, I think it was already gone. And I ran out that morning and did that deal, which was cool. All right. What else? So I did the trial size the last 2 days on my account as well as Joseph's. Everything I've had to put tickets in. I mean, it's hit or miss. Like, it's mostly miss because out of the Gillettes, I think only one of those went straight through. Out of the Dove men and the Dove women, none of the women went through. The men, only one of those went through. Shea Moisture, I think that darker one, I think that one did go through for me today. But the other ones I've had to put tickets in for those. So that's kind of how it is with Shopkick. Like, I'm excited that they have more rebates on there, but because we're getting trial size, it's like you got to put a ticket in. But luckily, they're so awesome. Don't ask me why I got 2 blades, y'all. I'm going to see if it's on Tada. I might still have that offer on Tada. If I do, then I'm good. If not, then your girl is paying $1.28 for one of them and 28 cents for the other one. We've been buying so much soda. Is it just me? Are they really pushing sugar-free or zero sugar? I feel like they are, because it's like all of the 7-Up and all of the sugar-free stuff we've been getting lately. Like, I feel like that's like their way of pushing it. I don't know. It might just be in my head. I don't mind it because I like sugar-free. But these all went through. Whenever I did a diet and a regular one, it was perfect. But then the one time I decided to be a little different and get the strawberry cream in the diet, it didn't go through. So I don't know if they're both part of the same one or what. I don't think it is. I think it's either diet, zero, or the regular ones. So I had to put a ticket in for that. So tomorrow, because I'm gonna do it again tomorrow, I'm gonna do diet and regular. Other than that, you guys, everything else worked out okay. So everything you see here retails $205.72. This is $14.33 in sales tax. I had $10.84 in coupons, which brought the out of pocket down to $194.88. I got back $70.20 from Ibotta, $81.40 from Shopkick, $18. Well, Mr. Ohio shared that the conversion is 71 cents for every dollar. So we're going to go with that. So that reward is $12.78 rather than $18. All right. Aisles was $5 for the soup. Shop Miam was $6. Checkout 51 is $13.76. Tada was $3. Swagbuck was $8, and My Points was $8.54. So basically, we got back a total of $208.68, making everything you see here free plus a $13.80 moneymaker. And even after tax, it nets us at 53 cents for everything, which to me is pretty free. And so I'll leave it there. You guys have the most amazing day, night, whatever you're watching, wherever you're watching. I'll see you next video. Bye, guys.